Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. So today I'm going to use the caramel macchiato. I want to make sure they're a little bit more on the straighter side so they're not really curly. So I did kind of wash them and prep them the night before and I let them air dry. And I kind of washed my hair and let it air dried. So I get this kind of kinky bedhead, really ugly thing going on with my hair right now. But yeah, so I'm super excited. What you're gonna want is 1.5 barrel. I prefer my hot tools so I can set it at 430 degrees. So let's begin with this, guys. So I'm gonna take, again, my first section from my ear to my ear, drag my finger across, clamp my hair up. I am going to use my 3 clip pieces. And I am going to put them in. I'm going to divide my hair in half. Now to get this kind of curl, it really is in the kind of motion of it. So you're kind of curling it and then you're just kind of pulling it through. So you can see I'm going to curl my base. So you can see how it's curling. I'm leaving my ends out. And then I'm just going to kind of slide it through. So I want to make sure that I grab my real hair and my DeLushious hair and I'm going to curl them together. So you see how those ends are sticking out? Now I'm just going to kind of pull it through. So I'm not really curling those ends. Okay. Now I'm going to take my next piece again from the middle of my ear to the middle of my ear. So it's literally hovering above that piece. Okay, guys? So again, 3 clips. Pop those babies in and down and clamp. So you're really sinking it into your base, into your root area. So I'm going to grab that hair. Again, just really kind of curl it more at the base and then slide it through. I'm just curling it at the base and then I'm just gonna kind of slide it through. So it's just like that. So the next piece I'm going to take is from my ear to my ear, and it is going to be my longer 4-piece clip. So there's 2 4-piece clips. I am using the longer one in length because I wanted to kind of clip from ear to ear. If you have more of a narrow head or petite, you want to just take it maybe above the ear. Okay, now I'm going to divide that hair in half again. Because then it is a longer piece, I'm going to kind of divide, instead of dividing it in 2 sections, it's going to be 2 sections on each side. So 4 in total. So see, curl, and then I just kind of pull it through. Grab all that hair. So I'm curling it in a backwards motion. So I'm kind of holding it at the base for a little bit. And then I'm just going to kind of twirl it through. So it's almost like a ribbon. You know those when you're wrapping a present and you kind of slide the ribbon against the scissor tip or the blade of the scissor? It's the same type of effect. So I'm just kind of holding it there, pull it through. And I know when you guys see a lot of tutorial videos on the internet, it looks like they're going like this. But it's because it's in fast motion. So literally, it is just kind of curl, slide it through. So that way you're kind of bringing that kink through the hair, but not fully, it's not a fully committed curl. Okay, so now I'm going to go just above my temples. Sorry guys, I apologize. I got some nasty color stains around my hairline. Okay, so now I am going to go in with my 2-piece clips. I'm just going to clip them above my ear. Okay. Now I can curl these back or I can curl them forward. I prefer to curl just these front pieces forward, just to give my hair a little bit more volume around my ears. And slide that through. So I can see my ends are sticking out, and I'm just going to slide it through. Now I'm going to get my side hair here. Slightly take it at a diagonal. Clamp all that hair up. So open that clip, close that clip, and close it down. Now it's a really good trick when you do take your extensions out. Always try to make a habit of closing the clips. That way you won't get any matting or knotting at the base of your clip-ins. So now I'm going to take my front pieces here, curl them together. You see how I'm kind of holding my curling iron at a diagonal. Those pieces are out. Pull it out. Grab my hair and my extension hair, kind of holding it at a diagonal, curling the base, ends out, and just slide it through the hair. It's quite similar to the way you would normally kind of curl your hair, except for it's just really, don't give up. The first few times you're going to feel a little awkward when you're kind of just sliding the hair through, not worrying about the ends. See? Grab my hair and the extension hair together, pull it out, slight diagonal, curl the base, see the ends, leave them out, and slide it through. So next I am going to see, I can see the difference that's going to hide. I'm going to take just a little bit above those end corners there, slide my fingers till they meet, separate that hair, clip it up. Now this is optional. If you want the extra thickness, you don't really need to add this piece in. I am going to add this piece in because I need this color to break up my color. So I'm going to drop the clips down into my base, and then I'm going to clamp it. Now I can take that hair, divide it in half, pull it forward so I can see what I'm doing. Curl the base, leave my ends out, and slide it out. Curl my base, leave those ends out, then slide the hair out. Now it is completely up to you if you want to use the last two single pieces. If you do, you can clip them here and here underneath. But I like seeing my darker root. So now I'm just going to kind of comb all that hair out. Divide all that leftover hair in half. And I'm going to take vertical sections. Comb it out with my fingers. Take my curling iron because I want to create volume at my roots. So you can see I'm curling it. Those ends are still sticking out. And I'm just going to slide it through. Grab my next piece of hair. Curl the base. See, my ends are sticking out, and then I'm just going to pull that through. I have a little piece here that I missed. So literally, just pull that through. I know I make faces because, sorry. So the ends are sticking out, pull that through. Take my next vertical section, curl the base. My ends are sticking out, pull it through. Grab my last piece. My ends are sticking out, pull it through. Now, I usually give my hair a few seconds just to kind of cool. And then I kind of run my fingers through my hair. All right, so just to give the hair a little bit more texture, I'm gonna go in with a matte dry shampoo, or you can do a texture spray. If you have coarser hair, dry hair, I would use a texture spray. I'm going to be using a matte dry shampoo because my hair is naturally straight and it gets kind of oily and shiny. So I'm just going to kind of tilt my head upside down a bit. Spray that hair because it's a lot easier to do this upside down if you're not wearing your extensions. So there you have it. So there is my boho beach wave. So it's just a really undone kind of textured look. So I hope this helps you guys, and enjoy your hair. Until next time, see you guys.